Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to create AI generated images, visualize ideas or design creative visuals quickly, using Perplexity AI can help you generate images in seconds. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to generate an image in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open the Perplexity AI. So go to Perplexity.ai or open the Perplexity in mobile, or we have a mobile app, so you can download it from App Store or Google Play Store. Okay, so start a new query, be ready to create, so choose the write mode. Okay, so use writing mode for creative prompts or default, which is web mode. Okay, so it depends on availability, okay, because mode helps. So now write your image prompt. So for example, generate an image of a futuristic city at sunset, or for example, create a realistic lion in the deserts. Okay, so for example, like this. Okay, include detailed style, colors, lighting, backgrounds. Okay, because details or detailed equals better results. Okay, so ask for image generation. So for example, create an image of and complete, or generate a picture showing, and you can insert something or details that you want. So be clear and direct. Okay, so you can also refine the image if needed. Ask, make it more realistic, change the background, add more, okay, details. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.